Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jada Renee here, and today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to batch create your content. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know how you've been doing, and stay tuned for 25 days of Blushbodycare. Let's get straight into the video. So, what is batch creating? So batch creating, or creating your content in one bulk, this means that you are making all of your content, whether it's for TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube, in one day. Why should you do this? You should do this because it's going to help you save so much time. This helps you with your consistency. Consistency is key to thrive on all these social media platforms. Instagram, you want to post at least 2-3 times a day, and you have to post multiple stories just to stay at the top of people's feeds. TikTok, 3 times a day you have to post. And YouTube, about once a week to 3 times a week. Or if you do vlogs and you have 2 different channels. Point being, it can get hectic, but creating all your content at once is going to help you. How do you do this? Don't worry, I'll tell you. For platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you are going to design all your photos or all your videos / reels. You're going to design them all in one day. You're going to film yourself doing the cute little trends at once. You're going to take all your product photos at once. You're going to design and create your flyers on Canva or whatever designing app that you use at once, because you're going to take this one day out of the week and you're going to dedicate this day specifically to creating content. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use some type of scheduling app that schedules your uploads for you. So there are apps such as Planoly and also Canva. I use Canva to design all my product photos and things like that. Canva is really great also. This video is not sponsored by Canva. So you can use these apps, and what you're going to do is you're going to go in once you create your TikTok or Instagram post. You're going to go to schedule your posts. Make sure you are signed into your Instagram account or whatever social media platform that you need to sign into. You sign into it, and then you schedule. You can schedule the date, the time, and I believe you can even use captions. With Planoly for Instagram, you can plan out all your photos for up to a month. So that way, if you were trying to go for the influencer status and you were trying to get a specific theme or feed, then this will help you by showing you what photo to upload and when to upload it and what photo to upload next. This way you can look ahead of all your photos to see what your page is going to look like in the next month. Last but not least, I want to make sure that y'all understand that it's quality over quantity. Do not get these two mixed up. You do not want that. You want to make sure that you are giving your customers, your supporters, your subscribers, you want to make sure you are giving them the best quality content that you can, because this is what's going to help you grow. I know that you're supposed to upload 3 times a week, 3 times a day on TikTok, but sometimes you just can't find videos or ideas, come up with ideas that are good enough for 3 videos to produce in that same day. That's okay, because if you have one video that is interactive, that is engaging, and that makes your audience want to stay on your page, you're doing great, sweetie. And that is what matters. So don't get confused with trying to get out so many posts that aren't good enough. That is not going to help you. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment something down below, some type of video that you want to see within these 25 days of Blushbodycare. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my next video that's going up tomorrow. See y'all later. Bye.